Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to customize Shopify Symmentry theme. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. And from there, you're going to tap on Online Store. This is going to automatically redirect you to the Shopify theme page. From here, if you do not have the Symmetry theme installed already, to install it, all you'll need to do is scroll down, then tap on Visit Theme Store. After doing that, you'll be redirected to a new page. And all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on Paid. Then from there, you can scroll down and you can search for the Symmetry theme. So you can see it right here. After you have tapped on it, you can see some of the features that is included. So for example, EU translation, countdown timer, and if we were to tap on see all features, you can see that you'll also be able to add cart notes, slide out cart, in-store pickups, and so much more, as you can see right here. Now, even if you're on a free plan, you'll still be able to try out the theme to see if you like it. To do that, you'll simply tap on Try Theme, and then it is going to be installed on your store. Once it has been installed, we'll simply go back into Themes, and then from there, you would scroll up and you would tap on Customize beside the theme name. After selecting Customize, you're going to be redirected to the editor page. Now, once on the editor page, you're going to land on the home page, as you can see right here. And you can now start your customization process. So for example, we can customize the announcement bar by tapping on announcement bar from the left-hand menu option. This is the announcement bar right here. You could change the background color by tapping right where you see bar. So let's say, for example, we would like to change it to green. You could do that. You can also change the font size. So you can either pull along the slider to the right or to the left to increase or decrease the font size. And you can also display your social media links by simply tapping right there to tick it. Then you'll simply scroll down, tap on Theme Settings. After selecting Theme Settings, from here you can add your Facebook, YouTube, or any social media platform link. Now after doing this, you'll simply scroll back up and we can tap on back right there. Then from there, you can edit the welcome message. So if you'd like to add a welcome message, you can do that. And by tapping right where you see header, you can tap right there. If you'd like to add something more, you can do that, as you can see right there. And you can also see that with the Symmetry theme, you can see that it has 3 store messages, as you can see right there. And this is unique compared to other Shopify themes. Now, all you'll need to do to edit the store messages, you're going to tap where you see store messages, and you can select each store message right there, and you can change it to your liking, and you can also paste the link that you want it to redirect to, or you can tap on paste the link. And let's say I would like to redirect it to the products page. I could tap on products. Then from there, I could select either all products or test product. So once someone taps on free click and collect to US stores, they'll be redirected to that product page. And you can do it with each store message. And if you'd like to add a store message, you can tap on add section and do that. Now scrolling down, we can add also a slideshow, or you can edit the slideshow. So you could tap on slideshow right here. After tapping on slideshow, from there you can choose a fixed height, or you can select full screen. You can also scroll down, and if you would like to add text overlay, you can do that. You can also edit the transition by tapping where you see transition. You can select slide and fade, or you can tap there and you could select instant. There's numerous options you can choose from. Now let's go back. After going back, from there you can see slide heading. You can also edit the slideshow heading, as you can see right there. So you can edit the slideshow heading. If you would like to change the images, you can simply tap on the slideshow. Then you will see the option to select image. You could tap on select image and upload an image from your device. Or I will just be adding one of the copyright free images. So let's say, for example, this image. I'll tap on select, as you can see right there. And you can also select mobile images if you want. And then from there, we'll tab across. After tabbing across, you can scroll down and you can continue editing each section. So for example, you can see the featured collection section. You could tap right there. Then from there, you could tap on select collection. After selecting collection, if you haven't created a collection as yet, you could tap on create collection to create your own collection quite quickly. And you can also decide the amount of products that you would like to display per row by tapping on products per row right here. So let's say instead of 4 products you would like to display 3, you could simply pull along the slider to the left and choose 3. And you can also scroll down, and for example, you see that this app allows you to add the gallery feature. This theme, better yet, allows you to add the gallery feature. You can also display your testimonials right there. So you can choose to display all of these, or if it is a case that you would like to hide a section. So let's say the gallery section, I would like to hide it. All I would need to do is tap right where you see the eye to hide that particular section. Now to edit the product page, you're going to tap on home. After selecting home, you'll tap on products. Then you're going to tap on default product. By selecting default product, you'll be redirected to the product page, as you can see right here. Now once on the product page, again, you can tap on any section that you would like to edit. So if it is a case that you like to edit the price, so let's say you like to show tax status and shipping policy, you can tap right there. You can also go back on the left hand menu option right here. So this is how our product page looks at the moment. You can see it here. We can tap on product pages, and from there, if you like to show breadcrumbs, you can tap on that. You can also change the size of the product image. So let's say you like the image to be large, you could tap on large, and from there you could change the size of the media, as you can see right there. If you were to tap on small, it would get smaller. You can also enable image zoom, so you can tap there if you like to enable it. And if it is a case that you have videos also added to your product page, you can tap on autoplay videos to enable it. You can also enable video looping by tapping right there. After doing that, you can go back, and by the way, the changes that you make in this default product page settings will affect all of your product pages. You can also tap on the buy buttons right there, and you can see the buy button. And from here, if you would like to show recipient information for gift cards or so on, you can do that. And to do further editing, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to tap on the settings cog that says theme settings. After tapping on theme settings, from here you can see the layout option. You can edit your layout, you can change the color concept, you can also change the font size and style for the theme, as you can see right here. And you can scroll down, you can tap on product grid, and from there you can change the image size and so on. And also, if you were to tap on swatches, you can enable swatches right here. And normally you would have to download an app to do that on most themes, but with this theme it comes automatically added. You can also add a Firecon to your website by tapping on Firecon right there. And by scrolling down, you can see cart option. You can choose whether you like to show the cart or so on. You can also change the color, and you can see currency format. You can edit that also. And if you like to edit the checkout page, you could tap on checkout. From there, you could add a background image. You can also add your logo if you want, as you can see right there. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on save in the top right hand corner to save the changes, and that's it. After doing that, you could tap on exit in the top left hand corner. Then from there, you could preview it if you want. So for example, if we like to preview it, all we'll need to do now, you could tap on the three dots, then tap on preview to see how it looks. So let's do that real quick, and you can see how our website looks right here. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.